guys, welcome sa channel guys. Kain po tayo guys. Meron po tayo ditong noodles na may gulay. Noodles with vegetable guys. Yan, lagyan natin ng sitaw, talong, may kamatis guys. Healthy ang noodles natin. Kain tayo guys. Yung sitaw.